Hi everybody, and welcome to another amazing Amazon product review. Happy New Week! I hope you survived well the first week of school of 2020. To me, it was really hard. I hope it was a little easier for you. Last week, I reviewed a UV resin with some silicone molds, and I made some coasters for cups, which are a great idea for some Christmas gifts or if you're looking for something to do with your child in this quarantine times. If you happen to have missed, make sure you click on the link above my head so you can take a look at it, and watch it, and learn how to do resin yourself. Today, we are going to be talking about something that interests a lot of Americans: home security. Home security has been a crazy topic and very, very important since the beginning of smart devices, right? In 2019 alone, Americans spent $6 billion in home security systems, and from the $6 billion, $2.4 billion came from products from China. During the months of April, May, and June of 2020, Americans have already spent $4 billion, and it's projected that Americans are going to spend over $157 billion by 2023 in home security alone. One of the biggest products that have started the smart security revolution was the Ring. In 2023, Mr. Jaime Sminoff went to the Shark Tank to promote his Ring, which was a new idea. A doorbell where you can see the person that is ringing your bell, and also lock or unlock your door using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Unfortunately, Jaime did not hit not one deal with the sharks.
It's really not an internet play, it's a consumer device. I just don't think it's for me. This company, instead of being worth $7 million, could be worth $80 million, $90 million. I just don't see that progression, and for that reason, I'm out.
But CEO Jamie
However, the product became so popular that in 2018, Amazon gave Jaime $1 billion for the patent of the Ring, making Ring one of the #1 products in home security systems. Since we have moved not too long ago, we have been looking for products that will secure our house, and they are smart too. We wanted to be on that wagon. So I was scrolling down Amazon, and the products seem to be really expensive, almost unaffordable. So doing some research, I found out this beautiful smart lock that allows me to unlock my house with my fingerprint, assign fingerprints to all the users, even give a temporary key for somebody that's coming to my house, use regular keys, or unlock through voice command. And I was impressed. The product is less than $100. And today I'm going to be showing the smart lock from NioBear and showing how to install it, all that in less than 15 minutes. Are you ready? So come with me. So before we start with the installation, let's take a look at all the pieces that came inside of the box. The opposite door side piece where the lock's gonna go into, if you already don't have one installed, you receive one with your screws that you're gonna need. The necessary screws for the installation, plus physical keys. The lock piece, slot protectors made out of silicone. You're gonna need 4 AAA batteries. Inside of the box, you will find instructions and support. And here it is. Ha! Look at that. Boom. Here is where you're going to be putting your finger to unlock the door. It's beautiful, matte, sleek look doorknob. Very heavy, nice quality material. It's gonna be not only a good addition for your security in your home, but also a nice design to your door. You can go ahead and take the little plastic out before you install it. First things first, on the outside piece, which is the piece that has your fingerprint reader, you are going to be finding which one of these bolt protectors work best for your door. In our case, it was the longer one. And screwing that to its respective holes. It comes with its own little Allen wrench, so you don't need to worry about having other stuff to install it. So now that this part is on, I'm gonna go ahead and place the batteries. Okay, so now that you have seen all the pieces that come inside of the box, let's do some preparation before we do the installation. So on the opposite side of the door, or aka the piece that's gonna go inside of your house, you are going to find this piece sitting like this with a screw on this end. So go ahead and screw this out. Open the piece. This piece will be covering also the part where the batteries go. So make sure you, with 2 screws, the little screws are in the box. So make sure you want to screw it, put the battery on, put this back on, and you are good to go. On the side that's going to be the outside side, or the one that has the fingerprint reader, make sure that you find the right bolt protector size for your door. In our case, is going to be the large ones. So we went ahead and screw that in to make it all easy. Also, don't forget to peel the protective plastics that come on the outsides of your new doorknob. We are all set. Let's watch how to easily install this smart doorknob. So let's get started. First things first, we remove the knob that we already had, and we're going to start by installing the lock. Make sure that the curved part is facing you. Now screw time. So now that the lock is installed, we're gonna go ahead and add the outside part of the knob. Make sure you see the arrow pointing down on the direction that you are going to be inserting it on. And this little metal piece right here is the connector for the other side of the knob that's gonna go inside of your house. Now that the first one is in, I'm going to work up with the second one, and we come back to show you the final result. There you go. Now our new smart lock is installed. Here's how it's going to look on the inside, and here's how it looks on the outside. Nice little addition to our door. It's a beautiful piece. We had the black matching pieces, so it went nice and well. And that's it. So now I'm going to show you how to operate through the app, and then we are going to be done here. So let's take a look at the app. Now let's take a look at the app. And then I know my phone is a little messed up over here, but I'm just waiting on my new one. So you start off by registering your account. You're going to choose your region. So we are in the United States. Now I'm gonna put my information and get back to you. So I added, so what I have done to add was I went to door lock. Make sure I touch the button, the fingerprint screen, and it added into my list. So now it's one of my locks, and I can go into the settings, and here it is. So now from here, you are able to send the e-key, open another e-key, add fingerprints, authorize add-ins. So if you or your spouse wants to be an add-in for the lock, you can add them here. Name your lock. So there's a couple of functions for you to explore, and it's really cool. I'm going to take a minute going through the functions, but this is basically how you get set up and get started with your new security device for your door. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it have helped you out, and I can't wait to bring the next video to you. I hope everybody has a great week. Again, thank you for watching. This was an amazing Amazon product review. I see you next week. Goodbye.